All right, all right, all right. This is Dave off the cuff. Didn't get a chance to take a look at the market. Actually, I just discovered that I had or have COVID. And I've been testing negative all week. Friday, I got up late, and that's why I didn't do the early morning report. And then helped some tribal elders Friday, which I guess I probably put them on the death path with COVID. And then, Saturday, Sunday, I was sick. Like Friday, my teeth hurt, and that's usually how colds present. But Saturday and Sunday, I was clogged up. I was coughing. And Monday, I figured I'd crash out, got some sleep. And Monday, I woke up, absolutely no voice. Sore throat, no voice, kind of clogged up. You could probably hear it in me right now. And I kept testing, and nothing, negative, 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 negative. I woke up today, I feel a lot better. My head is clear. My throat doesn't hurt, although I sound very groggy. And I can't taste a thing, very weird. So I just had cornflakes because, hey, why bother? I can't taste anything. I might as well just take in sustenance. And my coffee, that's breaking my heart. Can't taste my coffee. Oh, what a shame. So, so I guess that's it. I guess I had a bout of what's going around with COVID. But I see it's rampant now, man. Like, I mean, like, people are out all over the place that I'm familiar with. I can't imagine. And actually, well, I guess I got it from my girls because, they had it also. And, I was hanging out with them last Tuesday, I think. So, it looks like everybody's come down with it. But, yeah, very interesting. Hopefully this is the end of it. Some people said they got better and got sick again, but hopefully I'm on the mend. Just been ODing on that vitamin C. Yo, to me, a cure, the cure, ultimate cure of any ailment, 2,000 milligrams 3 times a day of vitamin C. 6,000 milligrams a day, and I usually bang everything out. And I make sure I get a lot of D in it. But, that's what works for my body. You got to understand your body. So that's what I'm doing. All right, let's get to it, man. First of all, I'm sure you're all aware, but we got Fed and non-farm this week, right? So choppy week. So I wasn't really lamenting the fact that I didn't make it into the market because I was expecting a lot of chop. And I got what I expected. Actually, what is today? Today's Tuesday, right? Oh, November 1st. Got to check to see if we rolled those futures. Yeah, you got to deal with that. There's going to be a lot of that. All right, so we got Jolts today, big mover. ISM should be a mover. This is all during market hours. So I'm just laying back, man. It's just going to be a crazy market. ADP will give us some insight into non-farm. And then there it is, interest rate decision. I'd like to see 50 basis points. Oh, man. I don't know why I even bother sipping the coffee. Just no satisfaction. So I'll get involved after that. Although we got non-farm coming, and I don't want to break my ass and get frustrated, when shit does move. Well, I was watching yesterday, had one eye on the market, really just kind of tried to relax and let my body heal. Actually, I think today is a good day to fast, although I guess I just had cornflakes, but I can fast overnight. Maybe I'll do that. That would probably knock this shit right out. All right, I digress. I'll probably just lay back this week. I just don't want to get frustrated. And all this shit just frustrates you. Non-farms, pops. We got that non-farm report. I don't think I'll be able to play with you guys for the non-farm report. I'm actually checking my schedule now. It's been updated. I guess this is damn old people. Come on. Can't get it to open. Nah, I won't be able to trade with you guys. They put me on put me on. So, yeah, well, you're going to have non-farm payroll. But if you're listening and you want to know how to do that trade, you have questions, just ask me during the stream. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Join me at 9 a.m. today. And you could ask me all the questions you want. So what do we got? We got Elon and Twitter. That's going to be interesting. See what he does with that. Stock futures rise. They take all that shit with a grain of salt. Doesn't mean anything. Another interest rate hike is on the way. Here's how it may affect you. Okay, so rhetoric. That's good, man. That's good. That means that news is becoming less of a factor. And, yeah, you got the same old in the Ukraine. Don't give up and don't get bored with the Ukraine story. It's important that Ukraine prosper and they defeat Putin. It's important for Taiwan. It's important for everybody. Okay, look, what do we have here? So here's the head and shoulders we were clocking. Boom, here's the break. We said it should go to about 4,000. We're pretty much there. There's the 900. We said between 3,900 and 450, I think. May still have room, man. You have this gap. That's your ultimate target. You could leave one on and just have it run. But I'm thinking we close this gap for Christmas. And this is where everybody's going to start screaming, you missed it, you missed it. You didn't miss it. That's too much of a move down to have such a simple bottom and return. But again, okay, so we close the gap. That's going to be the overshoot. And we had discussed here my trend lines dating back from I think 2000. And you could see how we're respecting those lines. Things happen when we get around those lines. It's just not expansion in one direction or the other. You get your contraction, consolidation, hit those lines. We're toying with the lines now. Looks like we're fighting our way up to this one. And I'm telling you, man, we're going to hit it. And this is going to be, right here is going to be, you're missing it. And that's where everybody jumps in, closes the gap. And then then we have to see where the market goes. But you could argue that we're in an uptrend on the daily. Here's a low, here's a high, here's a higher low, higher high, higher low. We got to break to a higher high. But uptrend, too steep, too dramatic. We're going to get into this channel and hopefully start fading out a little bit. But I think this might be, a good trending channel. We could dance around the top and move up. I would like to see it hit the top and just consolidate and slowly grind. We need some slowly grind markets. Too much volatility in the market right now, too aggressive over the past 15 years. I'm thinking the next 15 is a nice conservative buy and hold environment, which I think we're going to do very well. So let's just rip through some of the markets. Actually, let's take a look and see what the futures are doing to me. Oh, we got a little double top happening here on the 240. That's interesting. Watch that. The momentum would indicate or imply that we're going to have a move up today. Again, it's going to be too choppy for me, man. I'm not going to toy with it. I might see a phenomenal trade that I'll take. I'm very happy I didn't take anything yesterday. Also, I was so groggy yesterday. I mean, even setting up the computer, I was making mistakes. So once your head's not clear, you don't trade. And I think I may still be in that situation, although I do believe I'll be able to gab. So we'll watch that double top and see what happens. And we're looking at BTC. See, even right now, I'm not flowing. BTC's at the top of the channel. You could watch for a break to the upside. I don't see any setups that would make me say it's aggressive. I don't like what I'm seeing on the 240. The 240 would give me a bearish implication for the day. Actually, I would watch for a break of the previous bar's low on the 240 chart. Can probably catch a trade down. But that too will be affected by the market. Oil. Let's see, my mind just wandered again. Oil on the daily, nothing going on. I'm neutral. Gasoline. I'm bullish on gasoline, man. It looks like we're putting in a higher low. We're going to break to a higher high. Nat gas on the tank. All right, so yeah, really, nat gas went negative over in Europe. So or liquid nat gas, yeah. So Europe has solved its gas problem and really asked out Russia. So gas prices should be dropping. So if you haven't filled those tanks, just chill, you know. And look, here's a gap. And like I told you, you could always rely on nat gas closing that gap. It's going to close that gap. Close that. We still have that backward gap right there. But watch that gap down there. Bonds. Yeah, bonds doing a little bit of a retrace. They need it, man. Looks like it's putting in a bottom-up pattern. You can see a divergence right here. I think bonds are going to retrace into the holidays. Gold. It kind of feels bearish on the long term, doesn't it? That's good. Gold comes down, chip away. I think that you should be putting gold away at this point. Long term, man, really long term. You know, like a 20-year horizon. And buy it on dips. Yeah, I think we're going to experience a little economic repression. That should last about 15 years. That's where you want to be going forward. I have anything down here I like to look at? Nope. Looks like that's it. All right, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Join me at 9 a.m. and listen to me cough and sneeze. All right, talk to you guys later.